Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stars Vibes. Hope you all are doing well. First of all, I have to wish everyone a happy Holi. Let the colors of Holi spread happiness, peace and love to you and your family. I'm back with another makeup video. Today I'm going to share this makeup look, which is a kind of fun makeup look. So let's get started. So here I'm using Cetaphil moisturizer for dry skin. Dotting all over my face. I'm applying WOW sunscreen SPF 50. This is Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator Makeup Base. This is very lightweight liquid illuminator that gives the skin a refreshed glow and beautiful highlight. Without any shimmery particles, it is for day makeup. Today I'm using the foundation from Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I'm in the shade 22 Natural Beige. This is best for oily skin type and it is also sweat and sebum resistant. I'm using wet beauty blender from Inside Cosmetics. I'm going to blend the foundation using dabbing method. I'm using TFF Concealer. It's a photo finish concealer corrector. I'm using the shade 03. I'm applying on my under eyes, forehead and chin to highlight the face and on the bridge of the nose. I'm going to set my face using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. To prevent creasing, I'm applying on my eyelids around the mouth. Here I'm using Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil and shaping my eyebrows. Today I'm using Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. This is best for all the beginners who want to invest on the eyeshadow palette. You get 60 colors in it. I'm going to pick the darkest purple from the palette and apply on the corner of my eyes, and then with the violet color, and then with the green, darkest green color, and then with the yellow and then orange. Use the firm brush to blend. Now I'm going to blend with from the outer side of my eye to the inner side. I'm going to do the same for my another eye. Using color bar kajal, I'm going to draw eyeliner. Using a smudger makeup brush, I'm going to smudge the kajal slightly. With the same kajal, I'm going to apply below. I'm applying reddish orange to my lower lash line using the same brush. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline New York Deep Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara. For lips, I'm using the Faces Canada lipstick in the shade Love Nude 09. It gives a glossy satin finish. Now I'm using Sugar Counter D4's face palette in the shade 03. Fierce Weight. It has a good color payoff. Using the same palette, I'm using a highlighter and applying on my high cheekbones and on my bridge of my nose, on a corner of my eyes. I'm wearing this jewelry. I took this earrings from some Instagram store. I forgot. If I get, I'm going to give in the description box.